Good evening, guys. Audio both are clear for all of you? Everyone, audio and video both are clear? Right. So now we will be entering into our discussion on which one? This all-state PSC PYQs of this surveying. And in this all-state PSC PYQs of surveying, which one we have completed till now? We have just completed this first chapter, fundamentals of this surveying, is na? That fundamentals of surveying we have just completed. And now we will be entering into which one? This linear methods, right? Linear measurements topic we will be entering into if you just observe, right? Right. Good evening, guys. Everyone, how are you? Anyone is there or nobody is there? Right. Okay. All of you. Yeah. Hi, Lina. How are you? Right. So had your lunch, snacks, everything or not? All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack or not? Get ready to crack, all of you. So this RP Civil Live, right? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use whenever you are subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses, right? Is not? Right. No, not over? Okay, very good, right? Don't worry, we'll be having a good stacks of questions, right? This is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use always, right? For unlocking the free classes, and for which one? For unlocking the free classes and for which one? All of you? For unlocking the free classes, for subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses, for everything, RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use, right? These are all the subjects I'll be taking, and Unacademy has introduced a new feature, that is notes, okay? Those who are taking Plus subscription will be getting the notes also, printed notes also will be getting, right? So subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses and use the referral code RP Civil Live. For movies also, no, not for movies, but whatever you wanted to access for Unacademy, from Unacademy, for them only you can use this code, okay? Not for movies, right? So Unacademy crack gate Unacademy Lite subscription is there, right? What is that Unacademy Lite subscription? If you just observe, it is only the test series subscription, right? Those who are preparing fully, right? Then did not practice questions properly, then you can go for which one? This test series, right? Test series you can subscribe to, okay? Right. Now these are all the GATE toppers from Unacademy in GATE 2022, right? AR 1, 1, 1, 4, 6, 6, right? These are the ranks you are having, right? From which one? From this GATE, from Unacademy, okay? Right. So this is a combat event you are having, and on March 27th you will be having this GATE and ESE combat event, okay? Ranks 1 to 3 100% scholarship, 4 to 10 75% scholarship, and 11 to 50 50% scholarship, and 51 to 100 25% scholarship you will be getting if you just observe, okay? You have to be careful. So don't miss this, all of you. Try to write this combat events, right? Try to write this combat and try to attend which one? This combat test and get this scholarship fully. These are all the benefits of which one? This Iconic subscription along with the Plus benefits, right? So today will be the last day, right? Today will be the last day for this offer. When you are taking 24 months, you will be getting 4 months extra. When you are taking 12 months, you will be getting this 3 months extra, right? Today will be the last date for this, right? Aspirant, good evening, right? Use the referral code RP Civil Live when you are subscribing for this, okay? Right. So now the prices are going to increase, right? The prices are going to increase, right? Last few days, right? Unacademy subscription prices are going to rise. So before, this is a present price, and that is a 10% increment you are having. So to beat this current prices, upcoming prices, right? Use the referral code which one? This RP Civil Live, and subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses before the price gets increased, okay? All of you. Yeah, okay, good evening. So these are all the new batches started, all of you, on March 23rd, you guys, right? On March 23rd, these are the new batches started if you just observe, okay? Right. These are all the new batches started, you guys, right? For any batch when you are subscribing, use the referral code RP Civil Live, all of you, okay? Use the referral code RP Civil Live. Now, coming to this, which part we are discussing? Yeah, Diksha, good evening. So up to which questions we have discussed yesterday? This is 61 questions we have discussed yesterday, na? We have discussed this 61 questions yesterday, right? We have discussed this 61 questions yesterday. Now what we are doing? We are just going for this YouTube live class on all state PSC PYQs of surveying. That is on today, 24th March, you can say. Is not? Yeah, Betty came. We first chapter got over already, na? Yes or no? First chapter got over already, and second chapter, right? Linear measurements, right? In this linear measurements also 2.1, what is that? Second chapter, first part, that is various instruments we will be discussing. Okay, after discussing these various instruments, we will be going for which one? This methods of chaining and all these things, other things we will be seeing. Okay, today and tomorrow, this only instruments parts we will be discussing, right? Now tell me, this is 63rd question. Tell me the answer of it. 63rd question. Tell me the answer, everyone. Write your answer. Question number. Write the question number and answer. Okay. Write the question number and answer of you. Write the question number and answer. Yeah, Karpaya. Good evening. Write the answer, question number and answer. Lina, everyone, just write the question number and answer so that whoever is trying to attend these classes later will be getting benefit, na? Yes or no? Any other answer by others? A, right? Karpaya, Diksha, Leena, Suraj, everybody said A. Is it so? Is it A only? Yes, right? What is that photometer generally? Photometer is nothing but, you are right, photometer is your sonar instrument, na? It is your sounding instrument, right? Sounding instrument, or you can also call it as which one? Active sonar instrument, right? Sonar instrument or sounding instrument. So means it will be working based on the sound, na? Yes, it will be working based on the sound, you can say, if you just observe, right? Next, what is that passometer? What is that passometer? You can say, if you just observe, it will be just counting the, it will be just measuring the distance measuring instrument, right? That passometer is which one? That distance measuring instrument, you can say, right? Shailendra, good evening, right? Why it is distance measuring instrument? It will be just counting which one? Paces or velocity of movement of body, right? That passometer, what will be do? That passometer, what it will do? Passometer, what it will do? It will count the paces, right? It will count the paces, or you can also call it as which one? This velocity of which one? Velocity of this movement of body. Velocity of movement of body, right? Once you know the velocity, velocity will be calculating, and also what is that you are doing? Velocity will be calculating, and also what is that you are doing? You know how much time you are doing it for, then you can calculate the distance also. No, yes, you can get the distance from this, right? Yes, now, right? What is that? A tellurometer? Tellurometer is a microwave measuring instrument, right? Which measuring instrument you can say? It is a distance measuring instrument, right? Microwave distance measuring instrument. Tellurometer is microwave distance measuring instrument, you can say, right? Next, what is that altimeter? If you just observe, the name itself is telling that altimeter is used for which one? This altitude, right? Height measuring instrument, right? What is that height measuring instrument? You can say that is your D is matching to 4, right? So what is that? A2, B3, C1, D4, right? A2, B3, C1, D4. Option A will be the correct answer. Is that clear, everyone? Right? Shall I move to the next question? 64th question, all of you? Yes, I will be moving on to this next question. 64th question, right? Try to select the answer for this 64th question, all of you. Try to select the answer for the 64th question, everyone. Sixty-fourth, which one? C. Yes, Diksha and Lena said C, and Naveen said B. C. Aspirant Suraj said C. Yes, it is right. The apparatus required, right? You said A. Lena said A. No, it is wrong then. Yes, correct. The apparatus required for measuring the baseline length using the rigid bar is, right? What is that? We will be having some rigid bar. Using the rigid bar, we will be measuring, right? This is your baseline, let us say. So first we will be measuring like this, we will be measuring like this, we will be measuring like this. Because that rigid bar is always straight enough. So we'll be using this Colby apparatus or Wheeler's baseline apparatus, right? Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll be giving the instrument pictures, okay? Right, which one is the correct answer? Both of the above is the correct answer, na? Both of the above is the correct answer, right? Those are the names we are using for measuring which one? Those are the names of the instruments we are using for measuring which one? Baseline, right? Now, which of the following instrument is used for measuring of baseline in India by Survey of India? In India, which method we are using mostly? In India, which method we are using mostly? In India, this Colby apparatus we are using, right? In India, this Colby apparatus we are using, right? In India, this Colby apparatus we are using, right? Yes. Yeah. Daljit, I'll be giving this PDF, right? I'll be giving this PDF in my community or in groups, you can say. WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups. I'll be sharing, right? I'll share after the class, okay? Don't worry. The password also I given yesterday, na? What is it for first chapter? What is it password? This fundamentals is a password for opening the first chapter PDF, na? Right? You have to be careful. Now, tell me the 66th question. What is the answer? 66th question. What is the answer? Select the answer, all of you. Sixty-sixth B. Any other answer? Diksha, aspirant said B. And any other answer by others? Any other answer by others, all of you? No, no, I will share it, right? I'll share it. I will share it. I will share it, Naveen, okay? I will share it in the groups now itself after the class, okay? After the class, I'll share it. B, Karupaya, Rishi, Lina, Diksha, it's a half, na? Okay, now tell me, what is that generally that a revenue chain if you just observe? Half length, yes, Diksha, correct, right? Yes, Radhika, 66B. So whenever it is observed that a revenue chain, right? Whenever it is a revenue chain, it will be having total how many links if you just observe? Revenue chain, generally it will be having the 16 links, na? Generally it will be having which one? This is 16 links, right? 16 links, right? 16 links for how much distance? 16 links for how much distance you can say? 16 links for this is 66 feet, na? Sorry, 16 links for how much you can say? 16 links for this 33 feet, na? 16 links will be having this 33 feet, right? Then what is that 8 links will be having? What is that 8 links will be having then? What is that 8 links will be having? 8 links will be how much? 8 into 33 divided by this 16, right? It is equal to 16.5 feet, na? 16.5 feet. Which option is correct? Option A will be the correct, right? Option A will be the correct one. Is it clear? Option A will be the correct one, right? Like that. Is it clear, all of you? Yes, now? Revenue chain 16 links are applicable for 16 links it is 33 feet, but in the question it is asked as 8 links. You have to be careful, right? This is Gujarat PSC question, right? 8 links are asked. 8 links length is half of that, okay? Now shall I move to the next question? Select the answer for this. Yeah, Rishi. Okay, I'll come to that. $67D. What is the length of the revenue chain, everyone? All of you, is it 66 feet or 33 feet? It is 66 feet or it is 33 feet, all of you, if you just observe. Sorry. Revenue chain is 66 feet or it is 33 feet, if you just observe. Yeah, revenue chain is 66 feet or 33 feet. Sorry. Revenue chain is which one? This is 66 feet, na? Yes, sorry, I forgot. Revenue chain is which one? This is 33 feet or 66 feet, if you just observe. Revenue chain is which one? This is 66 feet, na? Yes or no? You have to be careful, right? Revenue chain is 66 feet. And how many chains we are having for this? And how many links we are having for this, if you just observe? Is it 16 links? Or how many links we are having? Tell me. Yeah, Gunter's chain is 33. Yes, correct, right? Revenue chain is how much, right? Revenue chain dimensions are which one? Revenue chain is your 66 feet dimension. Whenever it is 66 feet, right? Whenever it is 66 feet, 66 feet, 66 feet, how many links are present in this? 16 links are only present, na? Yes, 66 feet and 16 links are present, right? Then what happens, right? Yeah, by keeping that 33 in mind, I have solved that. Yes, na? Then if it is 8 links, what is it you can say? For 8 links, what is it you can say? For 8 links, how much it will be? Exactly 33 feet, right? 33 feet. Option B is the correct one, right? You confused and I also confused. Yes, na? That is correct, right? Yes, na? 8 links, 33 feet it is, right? That is correct, right? You should not be forgetting it, right? You should not be forgetting it, all of you, okay? Right, 33 feet. Now, right? Yeah, 90 ml effect. Okay. You confused me and I also confused, right? But it is 66 feet is the correct answer, okay? 66 feet is the length of this revenue chain and half of the length is 33 feet, you can say. Right, now this one, length of this engineer's chain, 67th question. 67th question, people said D. Is it so? And engineer's chain, if you just observe, right? Engineer's chain, if you just observe, how many links you are having? Engineer's chain, how many links you are having, if you just observe? Engineer's chain, how many links you will be having? Engineer's chain, you will be having which one? This 100 links, na? 100 links you are having or not? Yes, 100 links you are having, right? 100 links you are having. 100 links you are having. And what is that total length you are having, if you just observe? 100 feet length you are having, na? Yeah, 100 links will be there and 100 feet will be there, right? What is that one link subjected to? What is that one link? One link is equal to that 1 feet, na? One link is equal to 1 feet or not? Yes, one link is equal to 1 feet, you can say, right? One link will be equal to 1 feet, you can say, right? What is that? The length of an engineering chain will be, it is 100 feet, right? Option D will be the correct option, right? Option D will be the correct option. Is it clear, everyone? Option D will be the correct answer. Is it clear? Right, now shall I move to the next question? 68th question. 68th question, select the answer of you. Select the answer, everyone. What is it? 68th question D, everyone. Yeah, Ravindra, Karupaya, Aspirant, Radhika, right? Leena, Suraj, everybody said, right? Diksha, everybody said D. Yes, which of the following instrument is generally used for baseline measurement, right? Which of the following is generally used for baseline measurement? You can say it is invar tape, right? Why we are using this invar tape? What is the reason? Tell me, everyone. Because why invar tape? Since accuracy and precision is required, na? Since accuracy and precision is required or not? Yes. Since accuracy and precision is required for baseline, right? Required for which one? Right? Required for this baseline. Yeah, required for this baseline. So therefore what we need to use? Therefore invar tape is used, right? Yes, low coefficient of thermal expansion and a lesser effect by others, right? Lesser effect, right? Good quality and less extension and contraction. Yes, less thermal effects must be there, right? It should be giving a correct results, yes, na? Yes, right? Invar tape we are using, right? Invar tape we are using, all of you. Okay, right? Now I'll be moving on to the next question. Yeah, what is the mistake in that question? Which of the following instrument is generally used for baseline measurement? Yeah. Yes, Rishi. What is a mistake in this? Tell me. Yeah. This okay. 68. Okay. 70 directly has come. No, it is 69 actually. This is your 69th question. You can say. You make it as 69th question. Tell me, all of you. Yeah, Ravendra, actually मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं होता है. Okay, I am not that much comfortable in Hindi. I don't know Hindi much. I can read, but I cannot speak comfortably. That is a problem with me. 69 B B B B. Everyone said B. Everyone said B. Everyone said B. Yes, absolutely right. Cross staff is an instrument used for measuring the approximate horizontal angles. For horizontal angles, we are using cross staff. No, no. Yes, Suraj, Arti, Shailendra, Naveen, Radhika, Diksha, Leena, right? Aspirant, everybody, right? Ravendra, Karupaya, everybody said B only. Yes, correct, right? Measuring the horizontal angles. No, setting out right angles, right? Generally, for setting out right angles, which instruments we are using? Cross staff we are using. And what are the other instruments we are using? Yeah, I can understand your problem, but I'll try to use Ravindra, don't worry. So may koshish I will try, but okay, it may not be that much comfortable. That grammar mistakes and every mistakes will be there if I'll speak in Hindi, right? Crash staff, and what are the other instruments we are using? कोई अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है क्या परपेंडिकुलर एंगल मेजर करने के लिए? कोई अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है क्या? कोई अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट है क्या? कोई अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट है क्या फॉर मेजरिंग दिस वन? Cross staff is there, right? Cross staff is there. Optical square is there, right? Cross staff is there. Optical square is there. Next, prism square is there. Next, these are the examples, na? Yes or no? Right. Yes, Shalendra, right? Optical square, right? Optical square is there. Cross staff is there. Prism square, right? Prism square is there, etc. Right? These are all the instruments we are using for measuring the setting out which one, right? Setting out which one? Setting out which one? Setting out this right angles are 90 degrees, na? Setting out this right angles are 90 degrees or not? Yes, setting out this right angles are 90 degrees. You can say, right, like that. Is now. Now, shall I move to the next question? This is your 70th question. This is your question number 70. Solve this. Any cross staff, any cross staff you can use. Okay. 70. Question number 70. Write the answer, all of you. C. Aspirant Vinod, Suraj, Ravindra said C. Leena A. Naveen C. Suraj C. Radhika C. Which one? Which one is the incorrect pair, right? Which one is the incorrect pair, right? If you just observe, what is the purpose of this butt rod? Butt rod is used for measuring the offsets. That is correct only, right? right? Butter rod is used for measuring the offset only, right? Next, if you just observe invar type, just now we have seen a invar type is used for baseline measurement. Just now we have seen a, because we require accurate measurement for the baseline, so we will be using a material which is not affected much because of environmental conditions or temperature effect. That is invar still we are using, right? Now prism square, prism square is for setting right angles. Now just now we have seen this, right? Prism square, right? Prism square is just for setting the right angles. Just now we have seen a prism square for setting right angles. Just now we have seen invar tape for measuring the baseline. Just now we have seen. And what is that? Plaster's lath. What is that purpose of this lath, you can say? What is the purpose of this lath, you can say, right? Are these all correct or wrong if you just observe? Are these are correct or wrong if you just observe? You are asked to identify this incorrect pair, na? Incorrect pair, right? You are asked to identify which one? This incorrect pair, right? What is that incorrect pair, you can say? What is that incorrect pair? Sorry, this is this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, and this cannot be the answer, right? What is that, you can say? Plaster's lath, right? This is wrong, you can say, right? That is wrong if you just observe. 1 second. That is wrong, right? What is it wrong, you can say? Yeah. Why it is wrong? What is the purpose of this lath used? Generally purpose of this lath, right? What is the purpose of this laths, everyone? What is the purpose of this lath, everyone? What is the purpose of this lath? Plasters, right? It is which one? Plaster's lath, right? You have to be careful. It is plaster's lath. It is not the surveyor's lath, all of you. Okay? It is not the surveyor's lath, right? So generally peg lath, this kind of a small, see, you'll be having small wooden material is there. Small wooden material is there. Na? This kind of, it looks like this pencil only, but very small length. Whenever this wooden one is there, but very small length if you just observe, right? What is the purpose of this one? Plaster's lath means it is used for which one? Finishing the interior dividing walls and ceilings, right? It is used for which one? Finishing what? Finishing which one? Finishing, for finishing, right? For which one? For finishing which one? For finishing interior dividing walls, right? Interior which one? Dividing walls and ceilings. Dividing walls and ceilings. Okay? CEILING. See, generally plaster's lath means it is used for doing plastering. What is the meaning of plastering? Tell me, all of you. Plaster's lath means it is used for doing plastering. What is the meaning of this plastering work? Plastering is nothing but you are finishing only, no? Do you remember that whenever you are having these walls like these are present, then you will be just doing this finishing now? After, right? After we are just placing the cement mortar, right? That brick wall is constructed and every wall is constructed at the corners and everywhere. We will be just doing the, we will be just applying which one? This is cement mortar. After applying the cement mortar, we will be just finishing with some wooden material. Now, have you observed that? This labor will be taking one wood material and they will be just holding it like this and they will be just doing this kind of finishing. Have you observed that? That is your plaster's lath. Have you observed that, anyone? That is your plaster's lath, right? It is mainly used for this plastering purpose, right? Not for survey purpose. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? What is the meaning of this plaster's lath? Is that clear, all of you? Yes, no? So this is marking terminal points. It is not, right? It is not the plaster's lath. It is a surveyor's lath we are using, right? Hi, Tark. Hello. Surveyor's lath we have to use, right? Surveyor's lath, right? Surveyor's lath we have to use for this. Okay? Is that clear? Right. Now, the 71 question. 71 question. Tell me, all of you. Yeah. Lina B, Varish B, Vinod A, Suraj B, Aarti B, Aspirant B, Vinod B and Radhika A. Right, everyone, B or A, which one is correct? Which one is correct? Which one is correct, all of you? Which one is correct? Revenue chain. Revenue chain is which one, all of you? What is the length of this Gunter's chain and what is the length of this revenue chain, all of you? What is the length of this Gunter's chain and what is the length of this revenue chain, if you just observe? Which one? A for Gunter's chain and this B for revenue chain. B for revenue chain. Is it so? Is it so, everyone? 33 revenue and 66 of Gunter. Yeah. Which one is correct, right? We have got confused in between, right? Revenue chain length, right? Revenue chain length and Gunter's chain length, right? Revenue chain length and Gunter's chain length, right? What is that? Revenue chain length and Gunter's chain length? Revenue chain length and Gunter's chain length, right? What is the revenue chain length and Gunter's chain length, if you just observe? Right. If you just observe, revenue chain length is equal to, right? What is that you can say? Revenue chain length is equal to which one? Yeah, somebody confused me in between, and Gunter's chain length is how much? Gunter's chain, right? Tell me. Gunter's chain, I can say that 100 links are there, right? Gunter's chain, how many links are there, all of you? Gunter's chain, 100 links are there, right? Isn't it? Gunter's chain, 100 links are there, na? Gunter's chain, 100 links are there, right? Gunter's chain, 100 links are there. Revenue chain, 16 links are there, right? Revenue chain, 16 links are there, right? Now tell me, revenue chain length is how much or Gunter's chain is how much? Everyone. And engineer's chain, right? If you just observe, engineer's chain, if you just say, it is 100 links you are having, right? Engineer's chain, if you just say 100 links you are having, and it is 100 feet, right? It is 100 feet, right? Yes, no? Right. Then which one is correct? Which one is correct, right? Revenue chain is your 33 feet. Gunter's chain is 66 feet, right? Gunter's chain is 66 feet, right? Gunter's chain is 66 feet, right? This is correct actually, right? So somebody confused me in the first question, yes or no, Rishi? Yes, what you said later is correct, right? I have given correct answer only in the starting, but you confused and made me confused, right? Okay. So what is this one here? Yeah. Which one is correct here, all of you? Which one is correct here? 16.5, the first one only correct, na? 16.5, that first one is only correct or not? 16.5, that first one is only correct, if you just observe, okay? Yes or no? Revenue chain is what? First I have given correct only, but okay. Revenue chain is which one? This is 33 feet, na? Sorry. Revenue chain is 33 feet. Yes. Revenue chain is 33 feet and 16 links and 8 links it is which one? This is 16.5 feet, you can say, okay, like that. Yes, you are correct, right? You are correct, right? You are correct, right? You are correct. Okay, revenue is 66, then what is that Gunter's then? Yeah. Then what is that you can say? Then what is that you can say, if you just observe, right? Which one is correct and which one is wrong, all of you? Which one is correct and which one is wrong? Which one is correct and which one is wrong, all of you? Revenue chain is 33 feet is correct, right? Revenue chain is 33 feet is correct and Gunter's chain is 66 feet is correct only, okay? Revenue 33, Gunter 66, that is only correct, right? Okay, you just make it final, okay? Suraj, you just make it final. You just make it final. Whatever I said in the starting, first, that is only correct, okay? Yeah, whatever I said in the starting, first one, that is only correct, right? Before Rishi confuses us, yes, na? You have to be careful, right? Don't get confusion. Here I have given all these values, so you just remember these values, okay? Revenue chain is 16 links, 33 feet. Gunter's chain 100 links, 66 feet. Engineer's chain 100 links, 100 feet, you can say, okay? Right, right. This is only correct, right? This is only final, right? There is no confusion beyond this. 71, 72. Tell me, select this answer for this 72 question. Yes, correct. Betty, you are correct. Yes, in our notes, whatever we have given is this one only, right? This is only correct, and we have discussed the same thing in our notes only, in our plus class also. It's not this is only correct, right? In the starting, I have given correctly, but I got confused by means of okay, right. 72. This 72 question. What is that? You can say invar, linen, cloth and wires and steel. Which one is correct? This is cloth and wires, na? Yes or no? This is cloth and wires, right? This is your cloth and wires, right? Yes or no? Cloth and wires, right? Which cloth you can say if you just observe? Linen plus which one? This linen plus which one? This brass, copper, and which one? Copper or which one? Bronze wires, isn't it? Linen material, right? Linen cloth plus linen cloth, which metals, which metal wires you are having? Brass, copper, bronze wires you are having. So that is your metallic tape, right? That is your which one? This is metallic tape, right? And what are the lengths available if you just observe? 10 meter, 15 meter, right? 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter and 50 meter lengths are available for this, right? These are the lengths of this metallic tape available if you just observe. Okay, shall I move to the next question? By means of okay, right. Shall I move to the next question, everyone? Yes, I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Try to select the answer of you. 73. This 73 question, select the answer of you. $76. See, Suraj, yeah. Suraj, Leena, Varish, Vinod, aspirant C. Everybody said C. Radhika said C. Everybody said C. Very good, very good, very good, guys. This is your 45 degree or 90 degree only. That's it. It's not. This is just a 45 degree or 90 degree, right? We are having this French cross staff, right? Yes, now by means of this French cross staff, either we can just make it 45 degree or 90 degree only, right? Either we can make this 45 degree or 90 degree only, right? There is no other answer possible, right? There is no other answer possible, you can say. Yes, now. Right. No, shall I move to the next question? 74. This is your 74 question. Tell me. Select the answer of you. Which one is correct? 74. 74, C, B. Which one is correct, all of you? B is correct or C is correct? Write the question number and answer, all of you. Write the question number and answer. You are changing your answers. So you are changing your answers, all of you. You are changing your answer. Okay. Length of the ranging rod is 2 to 3 meters, right? Length of the ranging rod is which one? This is 2 to 3 meters with what? Total length is equal to what? That total length is equal to that 2 to 3 meters only. 2 to 3 meters. And whenever you are having this ranging rod, if you just observe, this black and white color strips you are having or red and white color strips you are having. Do you remember that, all of you? Black and white color strips or this red and white color strips you are having, if you just remember, isn't it? Do you remember this, all of you? And what is the length of this each strip? Tell me. This black and white or black and red, right? What is the length of this each strip, you can say? Right, it is equal to that 200 millimeter. Yeah, red white or black white will be there, or yellow white also will be there sometimes. Okay, it is 200 millimeter. Generally na 220 centimeter is nothing but 200 millimeter, right? 200 millimeter or 20 centimeter, both are same. It's not. I think in our plus class I have given this 20 centimeter number. Okay, I have given plus class, in our plus class, the 20 centimeter number I have given, it seems. Okay, right. So today the last question for today, all of you, this is your 75th question. After this we'll close the session, right? Select the answer of you. 0.2 meters, yes, that is also correct. 75th question, select the answer, everyone. You just observe the answer, all of you. Read the question carefully, all of you, right? Read the question carefully and select the answer properly, all of you. Read the question carefully and select the answer properly, all of you. For setting perpendicular offset and for measuring perpendicular offset. Now tell me the answer, all of you. Now tell me the answer, everyone. Using which instrument we can use for using which instrument we can set the setting is different and measuring is different, right? Using this cross staff, we can just say that okay, this direction is perpendicular, in this direction we have to proceed, right? This is which one? This is which one? This is your baseline. You consider this is your baseline AB, if you just observe. And by keeping the cross staff instrument here, we can say that okay, in this direction we have to go for. But for setting out, we have to use which one? For setting out, we have to use this A comma B, and for measuring, which one we have to use? C we have to use, right? Now tell me which one? Measuring. Measuring means which one? Measuring is a steel tape only, right? For measuring it is a steel tape only, you have to be careful. For setting out cross staff and optical square. Is that clear, everyone? That question, all of you? Is that question clear, everyone? Is that question clear, everyone? So it is a setting out right angles, right? Setting out right angles, you have to be careful. It is not measuring, right? It is a setting out right angles. It is not for measuring. You have to be careful. Measuring is different and setting is different. Yes, na? Is that clear, everyone? It's a trap. Many of you have fallen in this trap, obviously. Okay, like that. So shall I close the session, all of you? Yes, I'll be closing the session. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. Right? Tomorrow we'll be completing the instruments part in the linear measurements. Okay, right? Shall I close the session? Yes, I'll be closing the session.